Today, we're going to make a TIE bomber using 3 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
This is actually a Lego Star Wars Advent Calendar design, but I don't think it was kind of made or labeled appropriately. So what happened was I was seeing the promo shots of the Lego Star Wars Advent Calendar, and I thought, oh my goodness, what an amazing TIE bomber. Why didn't I think of that? It fits right into those TIE fighters and the advanced TIEs that I make with just using one tile piece. But when I got the Advent Calendar, it turned out they said it was Darth Vader's TIE, but I don't think it fits that description at all because they use this binocular piece, which has the 2 circles, which is kind of like the 2 pods of our TIE bomber, one for the pilot to sit and one to store all the bombs. So this tutorial is just how to make a TIE bomber for what Lego called an advanced TIE. What we do is you get our binocular piece, and we get these 1x1 tile pieces with clip on top. And you want the clips that curve and are more rounded. There's straighter ones, but those don't give you the right effect for that curved wing of the TIE bomber. So what you do is you take that tile clip, and you just put it onto the side of our binocular pieces, right there on the side, move it against the front of the larger end of the binocular piece, and we get to the both ends, and we've got a completed TIE bomber to patrol an asteroid field and maybe try to find the Millennium Falcon.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.